Did you know that Russian hackers once turned off the lights for 230,000 people with just a few mouse clicks? On December 23, 2015, Ukrainian power dispatchers watched in horror as their screens went black at 3:35 in the afternoon. Circuit breakers began switching off one by one across the Ivano-Frankivsk region. But this wasn't a technical failure, it was war. For 6 months, Russian hackers had been studying Ukraine's electrical grid through spear-phishing emails and black energy malware. They learned every procedure, every vulnerability, every backup system. Then they struck 3 power companies simultaneously, manually clicking through each circuit breaker while corrupting backup systems. They even flooded call centers with fake busy signals so customers couldn't report the outages. This was the world's first successful cyber-induced blackout, proving that entire nations could be crippled from a computer keyboard.